Alright, so we got a new Tesla Cybertruck accessory. Their company's called TESSTUDIO, and they have a Cybertruck specific website called CTMODS. So they gave me this to take a look at and review, alright, and let other people see. They're currently having a special deal for Black Friday. I believe 30% off with a coupon code. I believe they set my coupon code to itsbin. I'll put a picture up on the video. And yeah, anyways, so we get these four little light up things here. They go on the door, the lower portion of the door. Okay, they come in this little baggie, and then it comes with a short micro USB cable. Not many people have those anymore. It came with one, USB-A to micro USB, so it uses the regular USB ports, not the new USB-C, and then the micro USB that the older Android phones used to use, right, along with other stuff. Okay, it looks like it has these little kind of sticky pads to help make them stick, although the back of these are magnetic, so they do stay on there on their own. So let's go ahead and take a look. These little silver films are for sticking underneath the door, so if for some reason it's not working well with the current setup, you basically stick it underneath. You don't stick it anywhere on this thing. You would stick it under the door where these little sensors are, so that way when you open and close the door it will reflect the light better. Okay, anyways, let's take a closer look. So at the bottom here you can see there's this little empty space. Okay, so we got two of these. All right, they're exactly the same. There's no difference for left or right. Okay, so there's the little button here. It came with like a SIM eject tool that you can use to push this button, but really if you're holding it like this, you can actually pinch it and you can see it lights up. So it has different light modes. You can cycle through the different colors. Okay, so red, green, you can see how it does the pattern. Okay, there's blue, okay, purple or lavender, and then this teal color. I like using the teal, and then yellow, white, and then it goes back through red. Okay, so there's a different animation now, so it does that. Green, okay, blue, lavender or purple, and then the teal, then yellow. Okay, you can see all the animations, you get it. All right, and then it has this rainbow effect mode, and then it has this mode, another rainbow effect mode, and then the solid colors. So I'm going to leave it on teal. Okay, and again, it's magnetic, so it can stick right there. Okay, so it goes on like that. I'm assuming that's where it goes because I'm not sure where else you would put it. It's not like you can stick it up here anywhere. Okay, so I'm assuming it goes like right there, and you can see it's on right now. Okay, and let me show you what it will look like. So basically, if you close the door, it covers this little light patch, and you see it turns off. Okay, so it's just light sensitive. So when the door goes on top, it will automatically shut that light off. And yeah, it's rechargeable. The only thing is you only have one cable, so if you're going to be recharging, you're going to be recharging like one at a time. I'm assuming your driver door is going to get the most use, right? So let's go ahead and slowly close this. I want to make sure it's not going to scrape under anything. Oh, there's plenty of room there. Okay, so basically the portion of the door, let me actually see if I can show you here. So as I slowly close this, you'll be able to see, okay, this silver portion of the door is what goes over. I don't know if that rubber part is gonna scrape on it. I can't really see under there. Okay, so it closes like that. All right, so let's open it back, and you can see then it's all lit up. That looks pretty cool. I have it somewhat matching the color of this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the other sides as well. I got a bunch of stuff in my car, so I'll just show the driver's side. Okay, same idea. Oh, also, if you turned it on, so right now it's set to off mode, right? It doesn't do anything, so you can see it turns on, but if you hold the button, oops, I covered the thing. So if you hold the button down for like 2-3 seconds, it turns off, and then it goes back to off mode. All right, so right now you can see all these scratches on it. That's actually on a protective layer, so that's not actually the car itself. So this side it seems this curves a bit too much. So this doesn't actually sit completely flat there. It might fall out. I don't know. I don't know if putting it here will work. That actually looks kind of cool. Will that work? Will it turn off? Oh, maybe I should just put it like that. That's cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it like that because I think that looks cool, right? There. I don't know what's better. Let me see. That or this. I mean, if you're walking up to your car, I guess you're gonna be like looking up this way. So if that's the case, it would look better there, right? And then you have that light blinding you. I don't know, but the light does go through back here as well. Oh, why did it change to rainbow mode? I don't want that. Okay, let's change it back because I want just the blue. So you gotta cycle through all the settings. Okay, solid red. Here we go. Okay. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it like that. But I don't know. It's up to you. You can stick it wherever you want. It's magnetic. Alright, you can see it stays on there on its own. Alright, if I put it there, I don't need to worry about the thing not lining up right here because of the rounded sloped curves. Okay, so if I put it there, it's just sitting like that, and it's like that. Let's see on this side. I also need to peel off the protective coating for you guys so you can see. Alright, so right now we have it like this. I can stick it right there. Okay. Oh, this side rocks kind of weird because it's like rounded. Okay, so it would be like that. And we close it. Oh, you can see it sticking out kind of there. Huh. Wait, what? That's weird. This one like made it. Oh wait, no. Okay, my brain was doing something weird. Oh, it knocked it down. See? So maybe it doesn't work this way. How did that happen? It popped out the little rubber cover. So I guess it does need to go here. Let me put this back. I'll be back. Okay, so for this side, you definitely can't stick it on this way. The rubber piece hits it and it knocks it over. Hopefully I didn't damage it doing that. So it's definitely supposed to sit up here. Okay, let me peel this off and then yeah. Alright, so here's the mini one. Let's take a look. Does it peel off easily? So you just gotta peel the clear layer off. Okay, it's kind of hard to get at, but there you go. And now you got this nice glossy mirror finish. Okay, so you peel that off and you leave that there, and there we go. So do that all around and you're good to go. It's pretty cool, looks really nice. I'm not quite sure how long the battery lasts. Again, this thing knows when it's daytime, so if I actually put the camera really close to where the flash shines into the hole, it'll probably turn off. Yep, you can't see it, but there you go. Okay, so it's off. And then see, so if the flash gets too close, it shuts it off. So with sunlight, it will know, it will turn itself off. And yeah, there's a very nice, quick, easy mod to your Cybertruck. Okay, pretty cool. And there we go. All right, very simple, just stick it on there. I wonder if the larger one would happen to it. The large one stays there. So technically the driver's seat you can leave there if you want. Or you can stick it up here if you want. Okay. Your choice. Put it wherever you want. There we go. Close that. Alright, open it back up. And there you go. It stays there. So pretty cool. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you thought this product was kind of nice and neat. And if you like it, go out, buy it, use the key, the code, whatever you call it. Save yourself 30% for Black Friday, and I'll see you all in the next one. All right, there you go. Bye. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention. These turn themselves off after 2 minutes. If you read the little card that it came with, the card kind of needs a little bit better translation. It was translated from Chinese and it's like a rough translation. But basically these will stay on for 2 minutes if you leave it open. And then once it shuts itself off, you have to close the door and reopen it. Or you can just like cover it to make it think the door's closed and then it will turn back on. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.